how to withdraw from Gomining. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw from Gomining. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to withdraw from Gomining, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. There are two ways to withdraw your BTC rewards, automatic and manual withdrawals. Step 2. Automatic withdrawals transfer rewards to your wallet without fees. The usual minimum threshold is 0.001 BTC, but this may change based on BTC network conditions. Check the reward settings for the current minimum threshold. Step 3. For manual withdrawals, go to your BTC virtual wallet and click Withdraw. Step 4. If you haven't added a BTC wallet address yet, add one before proceeding. Step 5. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Step 6. Verify all the details, especially the fee amount. Step 7. Done. You will receive your rewards within a few minutes. So that's how you can withdraw from Gomining. That's all for this video.